Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning. My name is Muhammad Najam bin Muhammad Salam. My metric number is AA221635. Our group choose for the title. Our group choose chemistry in textile industry. Okay, what is chemistry in textile industry? The role of chemistry in textile industry is develop a wide range of products that can be utilized for dyeing and printing clothes. The process of dyeing clothes employ a large number of chemicals that are used in mixing the paint and get the desired color. This paint blend with the fabric and impart color to it. Then the fabric can be produced.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syahmi Aiman bin Najmuddin. Metric number AA222146. I am going to talk about fundamental of chemistry and atomic concept. Textile is a flexible woven material consisting of a network of natural or artificial fibers, often referred to as thread or yarn. They are widely used for carpeting, furnishing, window shades, towels, and more. Textile can also be made from many materials that can be gained from animals, plants, minerals, and synthetics. It contains a large number of chemicals used in their manufacturing that may have inherent properties that are hazardous to human health and the environment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raja Abdul Hadi Putra bin Raja Ismail Idham, Section 4, metric number AA20740. I am going to talk about electronic structure in textile industry. In textile industry, we use substances such as acid and base. Therefore, we are going to talk about a lot smaller substances, which are the elements in these substances. Those acid and base include acetic acid, hydrogen peroxide, and sodium chloride. We are going to talk about the elements in these substances, which include carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, and so on. First up is carbon. Carbon has 6 electrons. Therefore, its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, and 2p2. After that, we have sodium. Sodium has 11 electrons. Therefore, its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s1. After that, we are going to talk about potassium or calcium. Potassium has 19 electrons. Therefore, its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 4s1. And then we have hydrogen. Hydrogen has only 1 electron. Therefore, its electron configuration is as simple as 1s1. Then we are going to talk about chlorine. Chlorine has 17 electrons. Therefore, its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p5.
Hi, I am Izzal Hafiz bin Mas Azri, and I will explaining about chemical bonding in textile industry. As we all know, chemical bond refers to the chemical bond between two or more atoms or ions to rise up chemical compound. In textile industry, textile are thin and long fibers held together by intermolecular attraction, which can change the strength and flexibility of chemical bond. We have natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers, usually we call it as staple fibers because the arrangement are irregular and the strength and flexibility of chemical bond are low. For synthetic fibers, we usually call it as continuous filament yarns. The structure and arrangement of chemical bonds are high. The strength and flexibility of synthetic fibers are high. For natural fibers, we have cellulose-based fibers come from leaf, seeds, and stem. And we also have protein-based fibers that come from hair, wool, and silk. For synthetic fibers, we have polyester and nylon. Usually, factory will produce product from nylon and polyester because the flexibility and strength of chemical bond are strong.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello, I'm Nur Alia Afrina binti Rosti and my matrix number is AA221356. So today I will explain about chemical kinetics in textiles industry. Chemical kinetics, the branch of physical chemistry that is concerned with understanding the rates of chemical reactions. It is to be contrasted with thermodynamics, which deals with the direction in which a process occurs but in itself tells nothing about its rate. Thermodynamics is times arrow, while chemical kinetics is times clock. Chemical kinetics relates to many aspects of cosmology, geology, biology, engineering, and even psychology, and thus has far-reaching implications. The principles of chemical kinetics apply to purely physical processes as well as to chemical reactions. Next, kinetics of textile chemical processes. The models and practical aspects are considered as a non-equilibrium state. Through differences in concentration of chemicals, transport processes occur. Negative free energy can lead to spontaneous chemical reactions. Based on the type of reaction and the time given, an equilibrium state can be established, which represents the end of a dynamic process. The presence of an equilibrium state is a central precondition to apply the models given there. For example, as examples option isotherms. This chapter describes that the presence of a non-equilibrium state is a precondition to trigger transport phenomena and chemical reactions. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Baihaqi Atiqullah bin Muhammad Zamidi. My metric number is AA220990. I am going to talk about acid base in textile industry. So we go through for the acid, such as sulfuric acid and acetic acid. Is used as neutralizer and in dyeing process. It help on the bleaching process of fabric and in cotton mat fabric. Um, for the base, such as potassium hydroxide is a multi-acid used in the textile fertilizer and gum. Meanwhile, lithium acetate serves as a catalyst for polyester production.